Hello, it's me, the talking number board. Uh-huh. I know you've seen this number board before. Where was that? Let me think. Put your thinking caps on. Where did we last see this number board? Miss Ventola's room. All right, so we're doing some number board math. All right, boys and girls, Bright Stars, today we're going to focus on the numbers from 100 to 120. So I'm going to flip it. I'm going to flip my board over to cover up the other numbers because we're going to practice on these tricky three-digit numbers. All right, so let me just fix this for you here. Make sure I don't cover up something that we need to see. All right, so listen. So let's practice counting from 100 to 120. All right, and we'll go nice and slow. And I'm going to point and count along. I just want to make sure I'm seeing what I'm doing with you and pointing to the right number. So we're going to start with 100. 100. Three-digit number, right? There's a ones place, there's a tens place, and there's a hundreds place. All right, so let's start counting from 100 to 120. We'll go nice and slow. 100. What comes next? What comes after 100? 101. Say it out loud. Think, pair, share with someone there. Count out loud. Moms, dads, big brothers, big sisters, listen to our Bright Stars count out loud for you. 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. What comes next? Can't cover it up. I want you to see. What comes after 109? 110. What's the number? 110. Can you see it okay there? I'm kind of peeking out from behind here. Haha, I see you. 110. 111. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 118. 119. What comes next? 120. 120. Good counting, Bright Stars. So practice counting every day. You can count by ones, you can count by fives, you can count by tens, and you can practice counting from 100 to 120. All right, listen. The other tricky part about this counting stuff is writing the numbers, right? Being able to identify and write the numbers. So I'm going to flip my board again. I'm going to flip my board. And we're going to start with the number 100. Can you see I've written it here for you? You know what? Let me take this off. I think that's okay. All right, so here's a number board.